In this video, I am going to show you how to make money online with CPA marketing even as a broke beginner. So literally in this video, I am going to walk you through a step-by-step process, and I promise if you follow me to the end of this video, you are also going to start making money with CPA marketing from today. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. Alright, as you can see, this account right here has made almost $30 so far for today. So for those who might be doubting, I am just going to refresh this page again and let's see what we have. As you can see, everything remains the same. Okay, so literally I am going to show you how to make money with this Netflix movie landing page. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go on to Google. So you want to head over to Google real quick and you want to download VS Code. All right, so I'm going to be leaving a link in the description to this landing page right here. So you want to download this landing page as well. Okay, so once you have this landing page downloaded, then like I said, you want to download this VS Code software. So you want to download the one for your respective device. Okay, so once you have the landing page downloaded, so you want to locate the directory where the landing page is saved. So once you do that, obviously this is a PHP landing page, you can't view it on your device. You will need a software called Champ. So basically in this video, I am only going to be showing you how to upload this landing page and how to edit this landing page with your local script. Once you have the VS Code downloaded, all you want to do is you want to click on this index file right here. You want to right click on it and open. Okay, so once you do that, you want to scroll to the very bottom of the page where it says JS. All right, as you can see, this JS stands for JavaScript. You want to go to your CPA Grip account or your OG Ads account and you want to grab the script to your content locker. So for me, I am going to go onto this OG Ads account and I am going to grab a content locker script. All right, so once you are in OG Ads, you want to click on this action right here and you want to click on this view details. So once you do that, you will be able to grab your script. The same process applies to CPA Grip as well. All right, so once you grab your script, you want to go back to this VS Code and you want to remove this and then you want to paste in your script right there. All right, so basically that is all you need to do, and you want to click on this file and then you want to save this. It's literally that simple. Okay, so once you've done that, let me go back to the home. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to go on to a website called webhost.com. all right, so you want to go to this website. This is where we are going to be hosting the landing page, because this is a PHP landing page. It's not going to work with websites like Netlify or GitHub. So literally this is one of the free hosting platforms that you can use to start driving traffic right away if you don't have money to buy a premium hosting plan. Okay, so once you do that, once you come to this website right here, 00hostwebhost.com, you want to click on this get started. So once you click on this, as you can see, they have a variety of plans that you can start with, but basically you want to go with this free sign up. So once you do that, they will ask you to create an account and you want to create an account with them. All right, so you want to type in your email and your password right here and you want to click on sign up. All right, so once you do that, as you can see, now my account has been created. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to your email and you want to verify the email they sent to you so you can prove to them that you actually own that email. All right, as you can see right here, this is the email they sent to me. So all I need to do from here is to click this verify. So once I click on the verify, you can see right here it's verifying my email. All right, so everything is done. So the next thing you want to do is you want to click on this get started. So once you do that, you want to click on this order. So if you click on this order, then you want to skip this and then you want to give your website a name. So since we are working with a movie Netflix website, so I am just going to type in something like grab Netflix. Okay, So once you do that, then you want to click on this submit. So as you can see right here, it says website has been created. So the next thing you want to do is you want to click on this upload your site. So once you select that, then you want to make sure to double click on this public HTML. So once you double tap on that, then you want to open your folder where you saved your Netflix landing page. Okay, so you want to highlight all the content in the landing page and you want to drag and drop it in here. And then you want to scroll down and you want to click on this upload button. So once you click on that, everything is going to start uploading. As you can see on the screen, everything has successfully been uploaded. So literally, this is how easy it is to upload the landing page. So what you want to do from here, you want to go back to the previous tab. And as you can see right here, this is our link. Okay, so if I click on this grab Netflix link right here, so if I click on this, as you can see, it brought us to this landing page. Okay, you can see this is the link right here. So this is the link you are going to be sharing that is going to be driving traffic to this landing page. So if we test this landing page, so I'm just going to type in a random email right here. All right, so if I click on get premium, yeah, as you can see now, it says please verify. All right, so if I click on this verify button, you can see that my content locker popped up. All right, so basically this is how you can host your landing page, your PHP landing page for absolutely free. So once the visitors complete these offers, you will get paid and they will be redirected to wherever you want them to go to. So now I am going to show you how to drive traffic to this landing page for absolutely free. Okay, so the first thing you want to do to drive traffic to this page is you want to head over to Google and type in top Netflix movies of all time. So you want to make sure you look for popular movies on Netflix. All right, so you can go through this list. There are a lot of popular movies right here. Okay, so I'm going to be taking Squid Game as an example. So once you've picked a movie of your choice, then you want to go onto Facebook and you want to type in the name of that movie. All right, so once you type that, then you want to filter to groups. As you can see right here, Squid Game, and I filter to groups. You can see we have a lot of groups about Squid Game on Facebook. If I take this group as an example, you can see it has 16 members on this group, and you can see it gets 8 posts a day. So if I click on this page, all right, as you can see, it's a very active group as well. Okay, so the next thing you want to do when you come to this type of group, you want to click to this post section. We are not going to be spamming this group, so you want to click on this create a post. So you are going to write a simple post like this for 2 reasons. One, to get the admin to easily approve your post in case if you are in a group that requires the admin to approve your post. So as you can see, this is a simple question, and there's no reason why the admin should not approve this type of post. All right, the second reason is to get people to engage with this post, because the more people engage with your post, the more people are going to see that post in that group. So this is a very simple way that you can post on Facebook groups where admin approves the post. Okay, so once you have this posted, all you just need to do is click on post right here. All right, so as you can see, this is my post right here. So the next thing you are going to do from here, so you are going to go on to Google and you want to type in similar movies to Squid Game. All right, so once you do that, you can see right here, this first post says 15 shows and movies to watch next if you love Squid Game. So this is the same process that you are going to do for any other movie of your choice. All right, as you can see, this is a movie right here. All right, this is also another one right here, about 15 of these movies. Okay, all right, so from here you want to grab a second Facebook account and you want to make a comment to this post right here. All right, you want to make a very simple comment like this: Alice in Borderland was a joy to watch for me. The good thing is I watched it here for absolutely free without a Netflix subscription plan. So before you add your link right here, you want to go on to Breezy.io or any landing page builder of your choice, and then you want to create a new project. So you want to click on this create your own. All right, so once you do that, then you want to come right here and you want to drag this text, and then you want to also go onto Google and you want to grab an image of the movie. Okay, so you want to come here. So let's take this one as an example. So if I download this movie, if I download this image, so let me save this image. So once I save that, then I'm going to go back to Breezy and I'm going to add that image. So I'm going to drop the image right here. So this is the image of the movie right here. So I am just going to scale this down a bit, and then I am going to add a button, drop it here, and you want to type in, all right, and then you want to type in something simple like watch now, and then here you want to paste the link to your web host. So you want to paste in the link right here, and then you want to click on this publish page. All right, so basically this is the simple landing page that you are going to be promoting right here. Okay, so you want to go back to your dashboard. So once you go back to your dashboard, you want to also give this project a name. So you can rename it Grab Netflix, just like the other one. All right, so you want to click on this submit right here. All right, that is available. So if I click on this button, as you can see right here, it brought us to the page. So if I click on this watch now, you can see it's going to take us to this Netflix landing page. So this is the link that you are going to be pasting on Facebook. All right, so you want to copy your Breezy link and you want to go back to Facebook and you want to paste in the link right here and you want to add in the comment. All right, as you can see right here, so once they come to this page and they see this reply, they can easily click on this link. As you can see, like I always say, Facebook is not going to block your link if you use a landing page. All right, so if I click on this link right here, it's going to bring them to this page, and if they click on this watch now, they will come to this page where they can get Netflix for free. All right, there's an app called BTV that actually allows people to watch a lot of movies for free, including Netflix movies. All right, so basically you can redirect them to this website to download this app and watch the Netflix movie for free. So basically that will be all for this video, and if you find any value, please drop a like on this video, and if you have any question, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.